Welcome to the Tara Linda Math Department Problem of the Month for November 2021. For this problem, you're going to need to grab a piece of paper and draw the face of a clock and put the numbers 1 through 12 the way they would be on a clock. Pause this video, grab a piece of paper, make your clock, and when you're ready, unpause. Alrighty folks, so we have a clock, and what's going to happen is I am going to read your mind over the internet. Here's what I'd like you to do. I want you to pick any one of those numbers, 1 through 12. Put your finger on it. Let's say you picked 1. Of course, now that I said it, you're not going to pick that one, I bet, but you could. You could. Don't worry. You could pick any number you want. I'm just using 1 as an example. Put your finger on the number you choose, and then in your mind, I want you to spell it. O-N-E. For 1, there's 3 letters. So from 1, I would hop. 1, 2, 3 spaces. And now my finger's here. Okay. So in your mind, think about the letter that you're pointing to, spell it, and for every letter in that word, in that number, I want you to hop. Okay. And now I want you to keep your finger on your new place. And I want you to look into my eyes, because I can't read your mind unless you're giving me your vibes. All right. I am pretty sure you're not on the number 11, so I want you to cross it out. I'm also, with full certainty, I'm feeling that you are not on 2 or 7. So I want you to cross those 2 guys out too. Wherever you landed, now I want you to do your new hops. But if you come to a number that's already been crossed out, you're going to hop over that. For example, if I was on 5, I would go F, skip it, I, V, E. Okay? So anything that's crossed out, you skip over. Okay? Wherever you land, I want you to keep your finger on it, and I want you to think that number for me. Think it hard, because if you don't think it, I can't read your mind. Okay, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling that you are not on 12. I'm going to cross that one off. I'm also feeling that you are not on the number 4 or the number 6, so I'm going to cross those off too. I want you to put your finger on, have your finger still on that new number. I want you to hop one more time, spelling your number, going over anything that's already been crossed out. And now you're on a new number. You've landed on a new number. This time, I am feeling, as you're thinking, I am getting your vibes, and I am feeling that you are not on 3 or 9, and I'm also pretty much, I'm picking it up. It's a little fuzzy because you're not thinking hard enough. Oh, I'm getting it now. You're not on 10. Okay, so now what I want you to do is whatever number you're on now, we're going to hop again, but this time we're going counterclockwise. So instead of going around this way, you're going to go around the other direction. We're going this way, counterclockwise. Do your hops, spell your letters, do your hops. Wherever you land, I want you to think about it so hard. You're on 1. How'd I do? I nailed it. I know I nailed it. How do I know I nailed it? How do I know that you are on 1? Wherever you started from, you are on 1. Anyone watching this video, you're on 1. And if you're not on 1, you did it wrong. So go back and do it again. The problem of the month is, how did I do that? How does this thing work? How are you guaranteed that everybody ends up on 1? What's the mathematics? If you think you have a good explanation, write it on a piece of paper, submit it to me, Dr. Foster, in room 103, or to any of your math teachers, and they'll pass it along. All correct solutions get put into a drawing for a gift card. Congratulations to Will Vassar for winning the gift card for October. Again, how does it work? Figure out the mathematics of it, write it down, submit it. How did I read your mind? Happy November.